Welcome to the BlueSphere MDM platform. This video will show you how to install apps for devices through Google Play Store on BlueSphere. BlueSphere supports users to authorize and install apps in Google Play Store, which is convenient for quick deployment to registered GMS enterprise devices. Please note, this feature is not available for non-GMS devices. When using this feature, the device needs to configure personal profile and work profile based on Google Play Store policy. When the device enters the Google Play Store page, you need to jump to an external link to bind a Google account. Then you need to enter an enterprise account, preferred, or a personal account to complete the login. If you enter a personal Google account, you need to choose to register as an Android-only account. After you complete the registration, you could find the Play Store available on BlueSphere MDM platform. Now, you can search and select apps on the Play Store page. Click the Select button to add the app. In the pop-up window, select the Approved button to authorize and add it to the app list. If you select Disapprove, you can cancel the authorization of the app. Next, navigate to Configuration Management, Device Management, Device Details, Apps. Click Install Apps, select the version and confirm the installation. The first time you install the application through the Play Store, the MDM platform will send you a pop-up with a Play Store token. Please record it. You need to use this token on your devices. Before using BlueSphere to install apps on the device for the first time, you need to complete the initial configuration of the Google Play Store service. Open the device browser and enter the following link in the address bar. You need to use the token which you got earlier on the MDM platform. Then please click here to continue on the page. Next, select Set up your work profile and follow the prompts to complete the work profile settings. After you complete the above configuration, the system will automatically be divided into two partitions. Personal partition for users' personal apps. Work partition for enterprise apps published through the BlueSphere platform. Please note that if your device has been registered on BlueSphere before, the original MDM agent will be uninstalled and automatically re-downloaded and installed. The device will then be re-registered on the BlueSphere platform. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Hope this video would be help.